What's up, you guys? It's Katie McArdle with Coldwell Banker. Today I want to talk to you about how to get your offer to stand out above all the rest. So make sure you watch through the entire video so that you can get all my really good tips. So the first thing that's super important is finding a really good real estate agent like myself that really knows how to negotiate and how to ask the right questions. So it's super important if you really want to get that offer accepted, to make sure that your agent is asking as many questions as possible before you submit it. So go ahead and have them give them a call, give the listing agent a call and say, why is the seller selling the house in the first place? And, is there anything wrong with the house? Is there anything else that I should know? It's really, really important to find out as much as you can. So the next thing that I think is really, really important is knowing that you're putting in a super clean offer. The cleaner the better. So what I mean by clean is when you put in an offer and if they're asking $350,000 and you put in an offer that's $15,000 lower, then you're also asking for a credit and you're asking for a whole bunch of other things, maybe like asking for a really long time frame on the closing or something else. Just adding a whole bunch of extra stuff to the offer really doesn't make it very clean. So you really want to try and reduce the amount of times that you're asking for credits, asking for all this stuff. You want to make it as enticing as possible to any of the sellers. So keep that in mind. It's really important, so that if you're going up against other offers, you're actually looking a little bit better and you have your ideas in place, that you're easy to work with. So that's really the idea there. So the other thing is when I have any buyers putting in an offer that really, really want to get the house because it's something that they want to live in, to grow a family or for whatever reason, that they really, really want to get the house, it's really important to try and write a personal letter to the seller. So writing it directly from you to the seller is really something that stands out, and not a lot of people do it, so why not try it, I want to say too that none of these things are guaranteed that you're actually going to get your offer accepted, but they definitely do stand out. And if you're in a market where that you're getting multiple offers and you're going up against a lot of other people, these are some things to keep trying. So when I have a buyer write a letter, I am at the airport, so please disregard that. So something that I want to put in your letter is let them know a little bit about yourself, and then you also want to let them know some of the features, just a few of the features that you really are interested in the house and why you like the neighborhood or the area. You really just want to let them know who you are, why you like the house, and if you have any specific situations, like let's just say you have, they're asking $350,000 for the house and you are only able to offer maybe $335,000. If somebody just received that offer, it seems like it's a really low ball offer. But if you write a letter and explain, I have a mortgage and I'm only able to pay this much. I really love your home and I've taken all the money out of my savings. I've done everything I can and this is the absolute most that I can put in for an offer. Then a lot of people will understand that more than just getting an offer that's quite a bit lower than what they're asking. So that's something else that you can explain in there, and just always make sure that you really appreciate their consideration for taking your offer, and a handwritten note is always the best as well. So these are really good things that can really help, and hopefully this will help you get your next offer accepted. So if you happen to have something or a home that you are interested in putting an offer in right now, why don't you give me a call and leave me any notes down below if you have any questions for me. I'd be happy to answer, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.